Hello din, no? So, magchika-chika sa takadali lang, no? So, again, ngayong adlaw sa ito ang tanan, no? So, how's your relationship with God, no? Magchika-chika sa takay basid. Paana, nakalimtan na to ang Ginoo. Nakalimtan na to ang tagianintan na ito. Kaya nakapokus na ta sa mga naa na to karon ng mga butang or mga, unsa man ang atong naangkon sa atong kinabuhi. Nakalimtan na ang Ginoo, day. Yeah, kay daghan sab kog nakita no nga or kanang mga nako sa mga uban ba nga isud daw kayo higugmaon si Jesus day. Actually dili man kay kita gali nga makasasala ta higugma kita sa Ginoo buong buo bisan man sa tanan natong gibuhat no, higugma gyud ta niya buong buo ya. Yes, noon man na siya day no. Kay Jesus gave His all for you man. Why you can't love Him wholeheartedly? Dali man kayong i-love si Jesus, day. Ikaw na ginakasala. Ikaw pa'y pasayloon. Dali man kayong i-love si Jesus. Ikaw na ginabackslide. Ikaw pa'y rakson. But why is it? But when we hear to the voice of Jesus, we constantly allow ourselves to listen to the lies of the enemy instead. But you, that the lies of the devil will lead you to death, die. But when you listen to the voice of Jesus, He will lead you to life. He will lead you to a wonderful place. Put is in your heart. Makayon ka nga, why man? Why man nga magbalik-balik ko diri sa kalibutan? Is because there's someone else inside of your heart. There's something else inside of your heart. There's someone else seated in your heart. Who is inside of your heart? People can be pure in their own eyes, but the Lord examines your motives. People can be pure in their own eyes, but the Lord examines your heart. What is inside of your heart? Are you here for Jesus, or are you here for the food? Are you here for Jesus, or are you here just let temporary materials, temporary things? Or dili mo ingon ka nga, Lord, I'm not here for the things you can give me. Lord, I'm not here for just temporary materials. I'm here because I want you. I'm here because I love you. I'm here because I desire your presence. Do we desire Jesus? Or do you desire Jesus? Kung dyan siya pinaka-question tayo. No? Kung dyan yung pinaka-dako nga question no nga, naabot tayo pagtinguha sa Ginoo, no? Unang, kaigon sila nga, lisod daw i-love Jesus. No, dili lisod. Piri ka sa yun tud kay gihatag niya tanan natong gusto. Ya tibok na tong kinabuhi. Gitanggap ta sa Ginoo day mo na nakakuan jud. Una-una perminti.